So, hi all, I'm Devakumar. Well, today in this video, we're going to discuss about an extension called VerTex. So, this extension is like a coding mentor for you. So, as you see the screen, transform your coding editor into a coding mentor. So, basically, not replacing it, but just giving you an assistant with the help of AI. So, usually the problem is that usually when you have an learning progress. So in the current state, so you use ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, Perplexity, Grok, whatever you want. I mean, it's fine. So you use it, and then like you what you usually do is like you do alt tab for everything. Right? So you like alt tab this, like do constant alt tab. You have like ChatGPT running over there, which gives a code, and then like you alt tab and then type the code. You read the syntax and then like type it over there. That's gonna be pretty messed up. You get so much distracted. Even if you put split screen, you'll have to like see to left, right, left, left, right. Like it's like too much of distractions. So to avoid this, I wanted like an extension, so which makes you focused, which doesn't makes you distract, and also makes the work much more smoother. So that's where our VerTex comes inside, which is also called dev code. So then might be changed later, but yeah, anyways. So trace with the code master the logic. That's the concept. So trace along with the code, and then you understand the logic behind it. So as you see here, the best example is this. This particular feature. We'll go on to that anyways. This is the landing page, and it explains it clearly about what languages it support, what is this, and like leave the video part anyways. I'm gonna go for install now, and then it leads me to this. Here is where everything gets interesting. What I want you to do is just click on the GitHub tags. That's a stable version because that's where I'm currently contributing. For the extension part, soon we might come, but currently no. So yeah. So GitHub tags, just click on it. You get a drop down, and then it will lead you to VerTex GitHub pages. There you have this file called VerTex dev code 1.1.3. That's the first version we had. So I'm gonna click on that, and then it's gonna get downloaded over here. I'm gonna give yes, save, save, and done. So the VerTex file is ready. Now what I want to do is go to VS Code, like Visual Studio, and yeah, the ENV is the exposed. Don't worry about the ENV because it's gonna get revoked later on. So anyways, yeah. So what I have to do is press Control Shift P. Okay, Control Shift P, and then search for install. Okay, so you should be seeing this like this option. Like it should say basically like install from VSIX file, or just search for VSIX. So just give this option, and then click on it. Yeah. So now we have to go to the folder where you have downloaded the VSIX file, and then like click and then give install. Done. So installation complete. Done. Setup is ready. Now we already have a file name called 1.py. Before we start this, we need to set up our model. And since it's open sourced, I don't run any server out here. I want you guys to learn how APIs work. So typically, so go to Google. You could use like Olama, or you could use OpenRouter. OpenRouter is another good provider actually. I won't be logging into it. It's fine, but yeah, anyways. And then you can use Gemini. These are the three options given to you guys. So you can choose either of this, or if you ever need like to check it out anything else, then yeah, you pretty much got it. So yeah, that's it. So you could choose it, and for that the shortcut key is Control J for selecting a model for code generation. There is something like code generation and Sensei. So code generation is where you get the code in the IDE of your editor basically, and the Sensei is something different. It's something unique also, which I'll come on to later on. And also this is the VerTex visualizer. So it scans it and it's under development. It needs a bit of fine tuning. So so it needs a bit of development, but the core features are actually active. So yeah, anyways. So what I'm going to do is press Control J. Control J, and then you select a model. I'm going to take Olama Cloud, and then it asks me before we start, that's a small bug. I need to like reset all API keys so that you guys can see what is happening. You have an option anyways. So now I'll press Control J, and then select Olama Cloud, and then it asks me for an API key. So to get an API key, already I have put it in my here, so like I'm just gonna like copy this entire thing. Copy. Let me just like paste it for reference. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Yeah. So now I'm gonna give like paste and done. Enter. Now what I'm gonna do, since it's what is it? Open router. Oh, it's open router. So I'm gonna Control J and I'm gonna choose open router, and then I just messed up. Oh shit! I just messed up, man. I gotta use this. I mean, no, not no. Wait. Let me tell you something. Okay, so Gemma. Yeah, this works. First, anything works actually. So I'm gonna use this. It's fine. And ready. And Olama key should be updated. So I'm gonna just gonna give this same Control J. Just gonna go Olama Cloud. Oh wait, I'll just reset the API key for it for Olama. Yeah, and then Olama Cloud, and then API key done. That's fine. And it's gonna be Gemma. So Control H now. Control J is for Olama's API for code generation. Control H is for Sensei's API. Same. I mean, you don't have to for Sensei. You don't have, like, once you set it up, you don't have to put the API key again. I'm gonna choose open router for it, and I'm gonna choose some good model, like, I'm gonna use Gemma only. It's gonna be like, that's fine. Yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is go to my file, and then press Control I for input, and I'm just gonna like put a prompt. So let's take hello world in Python. So now it's gonna like give me code. So there you go. So you got this code, and then like print, you type on it. So in a way, like, hello world. Yeah. So it suggested you that this is the only way you got it. And then you can just like run it Python 1.9. Wait, I didn't save it, right? Sorry. Done. See, it works. It's pretty simple. Like, you have to like just say it, and this is my Sensei recommendation. So you can like just wait for it, and then like it generates another recommendation part. And then the main feature is like you can like hover on it and then wait for 2 seconds, and then this is gonna explain you properly and what is this and what kind of line is this, what does it do, and all this stuff. So yeah, so you basically got everything. I mean, you got an explanation, you got a mentor who explains you in real time, or you also got a suggestor who like waits for you to like give a pause, and then like it generates a new line. So this is one basic thing. Let's just escalate it and like one of those simple. Explain all loops in all loops in one code Python. This is fine. So I'm going to do this. So when this API is exhausted, you have to just change it, man. So Control J, go to open router and choose Gemma. That's it. It's pretty simple. So same question. Call loops in Python. Simple as that. So it's gonna generate the code, and like now it should get it now. Yeah, there you go. For I in range, see range. So this is the concept. So this is the core idea of what I'm trying to do. So this is gonna be like a interesting thing. Yes. So print I, then like you close the bracket, enter, leave enter, while true. I mean, I can just give a tab. Oh wait. That's it. And I just don't want to waste your time. So yeah, anyways, don't use tab. It's gonna be like messed up. But yeah. So this is how it works. This is how we like you write the code. You write the code on it. So there is like a ghost code over here. If you see it, there's like a ghost code, literal ghost code. If I have to like zoom it out, then if I like give it down, and then like you can see this. This is a ghost code, and you can't edit the ghost code. You have to like you can just write on it. And even if you make a mistake, it just shows you that there's a mistake. So in that way you can like edit it. Like you can do an error detection and more. Anyways, so this is what the core concept is. And then fun fact, again, you just hover it, it just goes to the Sensei model, and then like it gives an insight for you. Simple as that. go to visualizer and you can see like where the function, like where the variables have been defined and where has been called. So in a way, like you can understand it by seeing this. So I to I, and then x to x. X is also called here, but it is not linked. Yeah, so this is like another development part. Now let's escalate this and go like, ask it simple calculator in Python. I mean, it's not only for Python. I'm just using because it's 1.py. I can give lots of other words. Yeah, so now you should get the code. There you go. And if I put a tab, if I put a tab, I get the code, and then like, yeah. So there you see, it's clearly visible, right? You can see it, where it's been called and how it has been called. Every single thing, it's like clearly visible over here. So in a way that you can understand the code, if you like, let's assume that you don't know where you have called a particular thing, a variable. So now one is a variable over there, and I'm just gonna change it. So like, see, it's not even defined, and I'm like, what's this for? Why there's an error? But then you realize that there is one, you missed the one. So like, yeah. So in that way, you can like figure it out. Where have you called and how have you called? Is it actually been called or not? Just like a chumma random thing. So currently, these are the main core features, and it also supports Java, JavaScript, Python, Go, TypeScript, HTML, CSS, C++, C, and etc. So for now, like, yeah, so it's not just these many for now. And yet there are bugs in visualizer, but not in the IDE point of view. In visualizer point of view, you do see bugs, so that's one issue. So I must, and the next version would have a proper structured way of visualizing this. And yeah, so I need like constant contributors who could like help me out in developing this. But anyways, this is the project. This is the core idea behind it, and I want this to be coming live, and I want this to be like an effective way to effective approach of student learning. So yeah, this is it. This is the detailed explanation about my extension called VerTex. So I hope you like this video. If yes, do nothing, just give a like and leave. Don't subscribe. And if you're interested, you can subscribe. It will be great for anyways. Thank you so much. See you again. Bye. Any doubts? I know I might put a video. Wait, I might put a video soon regarding how to set up and these things, how to like get a API key. If you ever don't know, you could check that out soon. By tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow with the video. Anyways, so yeah, this is it. Thank you so much. We'll see you again. Bye.